My name is Zdenek Elias. I work for the company Farmak, and the position is the head of technological department. We are a privately owned company located in Olomouc in the Czech Republic, and we are dealing with the non-sterile active pharmaceutical ingredients in the field of generics. There are so many companies from different fields you can find at one place at one time, from packaging to the industry to the machines and everything. And this is the interesting part and the way to make the connection from start to beginning. I think that the problem is the sources, but not only the human sources, but also the material. The material problem is that the main sources for us is on the other side of the planet. We need to get them at the right time, at the right amount, and the right quality. And the same is with the people. The trained personnel is always an issue. And to find them currently is a big deal. I never seen something like this, and they care about us in perfect way. They make a lot of connections, even which we don't think that is possible. So this is great value and added value to the Pharma.